Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be looking at a Mighty Cleaner shimmying detail mitt. So I got to wipe down my G35 here pretty often because it's outside in the sun, and I got to use like detail wax and stuff like that. But yeah, so here's some of the wax that I use just to wipe things down on the outside of the car and sometimes on the inside. But I did find a really cool trick for the inside is actually this Meguiar's Rich Leather Conditioner. This stuff works great. Like, you put it on once and it lasts for like months, literally. So last time I actually put this on the dash and everywhere, and on the seats obviously, was like 2 months ago, and it's still looking pretty good, even though it sits out here in the sun. So let's take a look at these mitts and see what they're all about. So I think these are kind of like the real shimmy stuff. Yeah, it does. It feels like the where you take the water out after you wash your car. Maybe that's what it's the best for, actually. So yeah, my hand fits in there pretty good. Washing, drying, and detail. So technically we can use them for everything. So I would say this is almost like a microfiber kind of thingamajigger. Alright guys, so let's grab this spray on wax here. And as you can see here guys, we got some little poop and stuff on the windows. And wipe it with this guy. Oh wow, there's so much like resistance. Like actually that's nice. Wow, it's doing a great job. Wow, that's doing better than I thought actually. Interesting. I thought it wouldn't be as good as the microfiber cloth, but it's actually doing a better job. It seems to like really grip the whatever you're wiping. You can feel the resistance. Pretty good. Well, that should work really good with this stuff. I'm actually kind of curious how well it would work with this leather cleaner. Alright, so let's spray some of this leather cleaner here on the seat. So I'm going to use the other side of the mint. That's pretty good, guys. The cool part is I can stick my fingers into these cracks while I'm inside the glove, and I can really get in there. So yeah guys, that's pretty awesome. It actually works really good, better than I thought it would. And the cool part is that it does come with 2 gloves, or 2 mitts should I say. So technically these are pretty universal. You can use them to wash your car, you can use them to detail, you can use them to shimmy the car off of the water off of the car. So I'm definitely going to use one of these gloves here for conditioning the interior of this car. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and finish up this seat here. Yeah, this car is getting kind of old, so the seats are starting to show their age. No matter how much you try to take care of it, it's still gonna degrade slowly. But thank goodness that nothing's still ripped. Being a black interior with being 10 years old. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of the car with this glove and get it all nice and protected. Alright guys, so these are the gloves and they did a pretty good job. So I've pretty much finished. We just went around real quick and wiped everything down. The seats and all the plastics, everything that's black basically. So it turned out pretty good. It's actually pretty easy to use overall. Honestly, as I was using it, I was thinking that it'll probably be better for like this kind of application where you're outside cleaning the paint with this kind of glove. So for the shimmy part of it to collect water. So alright guys, so that'll be it for this video. If you liked it, hit that like button. If you want to pick up some of these, I'll leave a link in the description. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more and you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. And as always guys, thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.